Welcome. Today, we're diving into the essential steps for starting your very own online store. Whether you're dreaming of selling handmade crafts, digital products, or the next big thing, this guide will walk you through the process from idea to launch. We'll break down each stage, highlight key decisions, and share practical tips to help you avoid common pitfalls. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn your vision into a thriving online business. Let's get started on your journey to e-commerce success. The first step in building a successful online store is defining your niche. Ask yourself, what products are you passionate about? Who is your target audience? By narrowing your focus, you can stand out in a crowded market and attract loyal customers. Research trends, analyze competitors, and identify gaps you can fill. Remember, a well-defined niche not only guides your product selection, but also shapes your brand identity and marketing strategy. Take your time with this step, it lays the foundation for everything that follows. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time for thorough market research. Investigate who your potential customers are, what they need, and how they shop online. Use tools like Google Trends, social media, and competitor websites to gather insights. Pay attention to pricing, product features, and customer reviews. This research will help you refine your product offerings and develop a unique selling proposition. The more you know about your market, the better equipped you'll be to meet customer expectations and stand out from the competition. Now, let's focus on selecting the right products for your store. Consider what items align with your niche and appeal to your target market. Will you sell physical goods, digital downloads, or both? Think about sourcing. Will you make products yourself, use dropshipping, or work with wholesalers? Evaluate product quality, pricing, and shipping logistics. Remember, your product selection should reflect your brand values and meet customer expectations. Choose wisely. Your products are the heart of your online store. Choosing the right business model is crucial for your online store's success. Will you operate as a sole proprietor, partnership, or form a limited liability company? Each structure has its own legal and tax implications. Additionally, decide if you'll hold inventory, use dropshipping, or offer print-on-demand services. Your business model affects everything from startup costs to daily operations. Take time to research and select the model that best fits your goals, resources, and risk tolerance. With your business model in place, it's time to make things official. Register your business name and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. This step varies depending on your location and the type of products you plan to sell. Check with local authorities to ensure compliance with all regulations. Registering your business not only protects your brand, but also builds trust with customers and suppliers. Keep all documentation organized for future reference and legal requirements. Your store name is a key part of your brand identity. Choose a name that is memorable, easy to spell, and reflects your products or values. Check for domain availability and ensure the name isn't already trademarked. A strong store name helps you stand out and makes it easier for customers to find you online. Take your time brainstorming and testing different options before making your final decision. Once you've chosen your store name, secure a matching domain name for your website. A domain that's short, relevant, and easy to remember will help customers find you online. Use reputable domain registrars to purchase your domain and consider buying related domains to protect your brand. Remember, your domain is your online address. Make it count. Selecting the right e-commerce platform is a major decision. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Consider your technical skills, budget, and desired features. Look for platforms that offer secure payment processing, customizable templates, and reliable customer support. Your platform should make it easy to manage products, process orders, and grow your business over time. A visually appealing and user-friendly store design is essential for attracting and retaining customers. Choose a clean layout, easy navigation, and high-quality images. Customize your store's colors, fonts, and branding to create a cohesive look. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. A great design not only builds trust, but also encourages visitors to explore and make purchases. Now it's time to add your products to the store. Write clear, compelling product descriptions and use high-resolution images from multiple angles. Include key details like price, size, color options, and shipping information. Organize your products into categories to make browsing easier for customers. The more informative and attractive your listings, the more likely shoppers are to buy. To accept payments, integrate secure payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or credit card processors. Ensure your checkout process is simple and trustworthy. Clearly display accepted payment methods and any related fees. Secure payment processing builds customer confidence and helps prevent abandoned carts. Test your payment system thoroughly before launching. Shipping is a critical part of the online shopping experience. Decide which shipping methods you'll offer: standard, express, or free shipping. Calculate costs based on product size, weight, and destination. Set clear shipping policies and estimated delivery times. Consider using tracking and insurance for added security. Transparent shipping information helps manage customer expectations and reduces support inquiries. Every online store needs essential legal pages, such as privacy policy, terms and conditions, and return policy. These documents protect your business and inform customers of their rights. Use templates or consult a legal expert to ensure compliance with local laws. Display these pages prominently on your website to build trust and transparency. Before launching, thoroughly test your online store. Check that all links work, products display correctly, and the checkout process is smooth. Test on different devices and browsers to ensure a consistent experience. Ask friends or colleagues to place test orders and provide feedback. Fix any issues before going live to ensure a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Congratulations! It's time to launch your online store. Announce your opening on social media, email lists, and other marketing channels. Offer special promotions or discounts to attract your first customers. Monitor your website for any issues and be ready to respond quickly to inquiries. The launch is just the beginning. Stay proactive and keep improving your store. Effective marketing is key to growing your online store. Start by building a presence on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Create engaging content, run ads, and collaborate with influencers. Use email marketing to keep customers informed about new products and promotions. Consistent marketing efforts will help you attract and retain customers over time. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps your store appear in search results. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and blog posts. Optimize images with descriptive file names and alt text. Create valuable content that answers customer questions. Good SEO practices increase your visibility and drive organic traffic to your store. Content marketing is a powerful way to attract and engage customers. Start a blog, create how-to guides, or share customer stories. Valuable content builds trust and positions your store as an authority in your niche. Share your content on social media and encourage customers to interact. Over time, content marketing can drive traffic and boost sales. Developing a social media strategy is essential for reaching new customers. Choose platforms that align with your audience, such as Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. Post regularly, use hashtags, and interact with followers. Run contests or giveaways to boost engagement. Social media is a great way to showcase products and build a loyal community around your brand. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to connect with customers. Build an email list by offering incentives like discounts or free guides. Send regular newsletters with updates, promotions, and product recommendations. Personalize your emails to increase open rates and conversions. Email marketing helps you nurture relationships and drive repeat business. Paid advertising can quickly drive traffic to your online store. Consider using Google Ads, Facebook ads, or Instagram promotions. Set a budget, target your ideal audience, and monitor results closely. Test different ad creatives and messages to see what works best. Paid ads are a great way to boost visibility, especially during product launches or sales events. Excellent customer service sets your store apart. Respond promptly to inquiries, resolve issues quickly, and go the extra mile to delight your customers. Offer multiple contact options, such as email, chat, or phone. Collect feedback and use it to improve your products and services. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your store to others. Efficient order fulfillment is key to customer satisfaction. Set up systems to process orders quickly and accurately. Use inventory management tools to track stock levels and avoid overselling. Communicate shipping updates to customers and provide tracking information. Reliable fulfillment builds trust and encourages repeat business. Managing your inventory effectively prevents stockouts and overstocking. Use inventory management software to monitor product levels, set reorder points, and forecast demand. Regularly audit your inventory and update your listings. Good inventory management keeps your operations running smoothly and ensures customers can always find what they need. Tracking analytics helps you understand your store's performance. Set up tools like Google Analytics to monitor website traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Analyze which products sell best and where your traffic comes from. Use this data to refine your marketing strategies and improve your store's results over time. Encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials. Positive reviews build trust and influence new shoppers. Display reviews prominently on your product pages and respond to feedback, both positive and negative. Use reviews to identify areas for improvement and showcase your commitment to customer satisfaction. Loyalty programs reward repeat customers and encourage them to shop again, offer points, discounts, or exclusive perks for frequent buyers. Promote your loyalty program through email and social media. A well-designed program increases customer retention and boosts your store's long-term success. Upselling and cross-selling are effective ways to increase your average order value. Suggest related products or premium options during the shopping process. Use product bundles or special offers to encourage customers to buy more. These strategies not only boost sales but also enhance the shopping experience. Retargeting helps you reach customers who visited your store but didn't make a purchase. Use retargeting ads on social media or Google to remind them about your products. Offer special incentives to encourage them to return and complete their order. Retargeting is a powerful tool for recovering lost sales and increasing conversions. More shoppers are using mobile devices than ever before. Ensure your online store is fully optimized for smartphones and tablets. Use responsive design, fast-loading pages, and easy navigation. Test your site on various devices to guarantee a seamless experience. Mobile optimization increases accessibility and can significantly boost your sales. Protecting your customers' data is a top priority. Use SSL certificates to encrypt information and choose secure payment gateways. Regularly update your software and monitor for suspicious activity. Display trust badges to reassure shoppers. Strong security measures build confidence and protect your business from potential threats. A clear returns and refunds policy is essential for customer trust. Outline the process for returning items, timeframes, and any conditions. Make your policy easy to find and understand. Handle returns promptly and professionally to maintain a positive reputation. A fair policy can turn a dissatisfied customer into a loyal one. Expanding to international markets can open up new opportunities. Research shipping options, taxes, and regulations for different countries. Offer multiple currencies and languages if possible. Communicate clearly about shipping times and costs. International sales can help your store grow, but require careful planning and execution. As your store grows, look for ways to scale your operations. Automate repetitive tasks, expand your product range, and explore new marketing channels. Invest in better tools and hire help if needed. Scaling allows you to serve more customers and increase your revenue without sacrificing quality. Outsourcing can free up your time for strategic growth. Consider hiring freelancers for tasks like graphic design, customer support, or order fulfillment. Use reputable platforms to find skilled professionals. Outsourcing allows you to focus on what you do best while ensuring other areas of your business run smoothly. The e-commerce landscape is always changing. Regularly review your store's performance, gather customer feedback, and stay updated on industry trends. Experiment with new products, marketing strategies, and technologies. Continuous improvement keeps your store competitive and ensures long-term success. Building relationships with other entrepreneurs can provide valuable insights and support. Join online forums, attend webinars, or participate in local business groups. Networking helps you learn from others' experiences, discover new opportunities, and stay motivated on your entrepreneurial journey. Compliance with laws and regulations is essential for your store's longevity. Stay informed about tax requirements, consumer protection laws, and data privacy regulations. Update your policies as needed and consult experts when necessary. Staying compliant protects your business and builds customer trust. Managing taxes is a critical part of running an online store. Understand your tax obligations, including sales tax, VAT, and income tax. Use accounting software or hire a professional to keep accurate records. File your taxes on time to avoid penalties. Proper tax management keeps your business healthy and compliant. Set clear goals for your store's future. Plan for new product launches, marketing campaigns, and potential expansion. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. A growth mindset keeps you focused and motivated, helping you achieve long-term success. E-commerce trends change rapidly. Stay flexible and be willing to adapt your products, marketing, and operations. Follow industry news, watch competitors, and listen to your customers. Adapting to trends keeps your store relevant and positions you for continued growth. Take time to celebrate your achievements, big or small, whether it's your first sale, a new product launch, or reaching a revenue goal. Acknowledging milestones keeps you motivated. Share your successes with your team and customers to build a positive, inspiring brand culture. Every business faces challenges. When setbacks occur, analyze what went wrong and use the experience to improve. Stay resilient and keep learning. Remember, every obstacle is an opportunity for growth. Your ability to adapt and overcome will set you apart in the world of e-commerce. Starting an online store is an exciting journey filled with opportunities and challenges. By following these step-by-step guidelines, you'll be well equipped to build, launch, and grow a successful e-commerce business. Remember to stay focused, keep learning, and adapt as you go. Your dedication and passion will be the driving force behind your store's success. Good luck on your entrepreneurial adventure.